Hello, welcome to G-Lite Concept. Today I'll be teaching you how to use the slice text effect in CorelDRAW, and I'm using the custom size paper type 4.267 by 2.4 inches. So to begin, let's double click on our rectangle tool to autofill here and let's give it black color. Let's remove the outline and now let's pick our text tool and write sliced. Sliced. There we go. Now let's change the font to this. Yes, let's use this. I think I like this. So let's make it big enough and place it right here. So we can give it white color. Just try to align it in the middle. You can just press P to keep it in the center, and here we go. So what we're going to do is we'll come here and we'll pick our knife tool and let's cut it somewhere here. Something like this, and there you go. So you might not see any change here, but you can see a thin line here. This line is showing that there's a division. So you can just click as I click on this, you can raise this different, and you can raise it down different also. So now let's give some colors to this. Let's pick our interactive fill tool here, and let's give this color. I think I want something like little bit dark here, something like this, and then I want the white a little bit pronounced the other part. We'll do something like that. This is white. This is white. Okay, so we have that there, and let's pick the interactive filter again and give this some color also. Let's give it let's give it this color, and there you go. Let's pick our shadow tool and drag it a little bit to our satisfaction. So let's just keep it here. And look at that. And okay. So what else can we add to this? I think if you move this to the right, you see the difference, you see how sliced it is. You can just use your arrow keys to like kind of navigate it. We can still add the shadow. We can still add the shadow. It's something like this. And then we can take this to let's say 80, and we can make this 30 also. So something like that, something like this. So let's text effect in Corel Draw. So we can just reduce this and let's give it white. Something else wrong there. Here we go. White. It's mirroring, but that's no issue. Okay, so we can just bring it close here and do something like this. So we have this right here. We're coming up with something. And so, okay, let's do a little touch on the background. Let's select an ellipse tool and let's just draw something like this. And then transparency. Come to fontaine transparency. And sorry, let's use this. Let's give that a color. Let's give it a color. Let's say this. No, let's give it this color. There you go. So let's bring this here. I think this is not looking bad. So let's you can just click this, right click on this and drag it into here, and you can just see you can do something like drag it, and when you see this this icon like a sniper, let me just use that way, you just leave, you let go, and then just say power clip inside. Let's edit power clip. Definitely, there's another way we can power clip that, but I just decided to use this very one. So let's edit power clip right here and let's place this here. So let's see how that looks. Yes, that's not bad. Let's edit our power clip and just adjust it a little bit. Let's adjust it a little bit this way. Let's come to object, sorry, effect, blur, Gaussian blur. Yeah, let's have it something this way. I think this is better off. Just move it down a little bit. You can use the arrow keys. Then we can duplicate this by hitting Control D or anything, and just duplicate it to where we want to use it. Control D. There you go. Let's place it somewhere here, and let's finish our power clip. So you now have a slice text right here. So this is how you can run the slice text effects in CorelDRAW. Let's fit this to page, and here we go. So this is how you can have a slide text effect in CorelDRAW. Thank you. Please remember